In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Google and Wix.com. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to experiment with new tools, this guide will walk you through the entire process from beginning to end. We're focusing on how to use Wix's AI-powered website builder to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google and search for Wix. This will direct you to Wix's homepage, where you'll find an option to Create with AI. Clicking on this takes you into the AI-assisted website creation process. Now, this feature by Wix is a fantastic way to simplify your web designing tasks, especially if you have minimal experience but still want a professional-looking site. Once you're on the AI creation page, look for a button that says Bring Your Ideas to Life with AI and click on it. This is your gateway to the AI assistant that will guide you through the process. The next command you'll see is Start Chat. This opens a dialog box where you can input specific details for your site. If you're unsure what to type, keep in mind that you want to clearly convey your site's purpose or industry, such as highlighting key elements that best represent your business. As you dive deeper, you'll have several prompts asking you to enter highlights. Think of these as the main features or selling points of your site that will attract and engage your visitors. Don't worry if you encounter questions that don't seem relevant. Simply click on Skip Question and move forward. Eventually, you'll reach a point where the AI has gathered enough information and will prompt you to generate site. Clicking this lets the AI work its magic, putting together a website based on your inputs. Next, you'll have options to refine your site. Continue with this design allows you to stick with the initial layout or make further edits. Now it's time to explore the editor. Click Continue to the editor to directly modify your site's design. You might spot a Quick Edit option, which makes it straightforward to tweak text, images, and buttons quickly. If you need more custom elements, Add Elements is your friend. It's an easy way to add elements like images, buttons, or text just by clicking on them from the toolbar. Before you finish, remember to save your work to prevent any loss of changes. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your website live. A confirmation with Done wraps up your process, and just like that, you're ready to share your newly created website with the world. I hope this guide has been helpful. Creating a website on Wix using AI assistance is a streamlined and efficient experience even for complete beginners. With these steps, you're on your way to establishing an online presence with ease. Thanks for watching.